Hey guys, Ted and Mike here with Gallop Brush Company. Just wanted to take a minute to talk to you about one of our latest innovations, the GCore4 Max. Ted, can you tell us about this product?
Yeah, Mike, over the years, we've had people call with some durability issues regarding their equipment. And that durability issue was brushes falling apart in the mirror area. So we went to our grit lab and we talked to our engineers and said, look guys, we've got a problem, we need a solution. And this is what they gave us.
And from there it went into testing. We put it out in the field, we got some time on it running cars, and I think what we set out to do we accomplished specifically with that wearing material and the durability issue.
In the past, when you have to change brushes, you have to take all the brushes out at the top in order to get to the brushes at the bottom. What our engineers did, they offset these channels. So now we can individually change rows without having to take all the brushes apart.
And just to add on to that, so what we're talking about is if you have a 70-inch brush, instead of stripping that entire brush down to just change a specific section, you can just change out 5, 10, 15 pieces of what you need within minutes instead of taking everything down. So it's a big time saver for you, and then it's also saving you money in the long run, and you can get back up and running and washing cars, which at the end of the day, that's what you guys are out there trying to do.
Some of the best features of this include the durability, it's lightweight, it's rapid to assemble. It will fit your existing cores. Granted, they aren't damaged or oval or corroded in any way. And one last thing that I'd like to mention is that because you don't have to take these brushes out in order to get to the bottom brushes, it reduces the chances of you reinstalling your brushes upside down. Brushes are all different sizes, and if you don't keep them very separated on the floor and then reinstalled the way that they came out, you're gonna have an upside down brush, and upside down brushes don't wash cars.
Give Gallop Brush a call and we'll get you in touch with one of the sales staff, and they'll be more than happy to take your order and get you set up with the GCore4 Max on your next rebuild.
Thanks guys.